Welcome to
SPiCY's Kitchen, where friends and family cook with a taste of excellence. SPiCY's Kitchen, Daredel.
Hello, sweet team. A very good morning to you all. I believe the grace of God is keeping all of us and we are all doing well. This morning I'm sharing with you the millet porridge recipe, which we call in our home or which we call in our local language as HAUSA KOKO. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these beautiful grains of millet and make sure that every unwanted particle is out. This process looks like it's so difficult, but in reality it's a very simple process. I'm trying to do this so that all the unwanted grains can be able to settle on top so I can just wash them out easily. So our millet grains have been washed out properly and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into a bowl. I'll cover this up and leave it overnight. We soaked our millet grains overnight, so it's the following morning and I'm going to open it and this is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this out nicely. So I have nicely washed my millet grains, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into a blender. I'm going to throw in some of my ginger, and then some of my pepper, some of my grains of selim, and then some of my cloves, and then my black peppercorns. So this is what it looks like. So in order not to waste so much time trying to sift this, I get my cheesecloth already lined up in my sifter so I can directly transfer my grinded millet grains and the other ingredients right into this. It smells so good. You can get these millet grains from the African market. So after doing this, I don't throw it away. I put this aside in a separate bowl because I'm going to blend this again. Yeah, so this is the remaining. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in my blender and give this another grind so that I'm very sure I've been able to get most of my food out of this. I don't want anything to go to waste. So I'm going to give this a second blend again. So this is what I get after going through all that process. And I'm going to transfer this into a container where I can cover it up and leave it overnight, because there should be some fermentation here so you can get the taste of the millet porridge or the HAUSA KOKO you know back at home. So see you again, sweet team, tomorrow morning. Hello, sweet team. So we are back again to check on our millet porridge, which we kept for 24 hours. The water is settled on top and then the food itself is on the bottom of the container. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. The smell alone. So we are going to go ahead and prepare ourselves some HAUSA KOKO or millet porridge. So this is some of the water that settled on top. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my fire and bring it to a boil. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and scoop some of the food that settled at the bottom. Yeah, like this. I'm going to scoop it into my cup this way. Yeah, this way. And then add in a little bit of water. So I'm using the same water from the top to mix this up. So as you can see, our water is nicely boiled. So I'm going to set this aside. You can't put the mixture direct into this boiling water. You have to set it aside and then turn off your heat. So this way, you pour gently your porridge or your mixture. So as you can see, depending on the thickness you want, you can either add more or less. And I think this is okay for me, or to make it a bit thicker. So as you can see, this is quite thick. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some hot water, which I boiled in my kettle. Oh, sweet team. I wish all of you were here with me to enjoy. So our porridge is ready, as you can see. So look at this, sweet team. Look at that. Oh. Oh, my crush for HAUSA KOKO. It's a perfect immune booster. Looking at the things that were added to make this nice and sweet and smooth HAUSA KOKO. So it's like this. My cup is ready. I'm going to serve myself. This one, it's like inele haja koko if ready. Ebe. Come and take your portion, my dear. Oh my God, look at this. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some sweetener, some sugar, white sugar, brown sugar. Yeah, any of them. Some people enjoy this with milk as well, but I don't enjoy mine with milk. I just like it like this with some sugar, and I'm good to go. So thank you so much, sweet team, for sharing your time with us. We really appreciate you sitting patiently throughout to watch the video till the end. Until I come your way again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
If yes, kitchen, dare, del.
So tasty!